Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay mag-air fry tayo guys ng fresh fish lapu-lapu. Ulam natin para sa ating breakfast. Hugasan natin ang ating fish fresh lapu-lapu. Lagyan natin ito ng salt and pepper to taste. Meron tayong mga spices powder. I-massage natin ito ng lemon juice, turmeric powder, paprika, coriander, cardamom, cloves, curry powder, red chili, and ginger and garlic. And lagyan natin ito ng mustard and olive oil. Magad tayo ng ating mustards at maglalagay pa tayo ng ating olive oil. Napakasarap nito guys at napaka malinamnam talaga. Meron tayong air fryer. Gagamit tayo guys, i-air fry natin ang ating marinated masarap na fish lapu-lapu. Super yummy talaga nito guys. Tingin pa lang guys ay napakasarap na. I-check lang natin kung luto na ito. Para sa ating cold drinks, meron tayong dates or tamar shake with assorted nuts. Meron pa itong oats. Oats is good to our hearts. Powdered milk, assorted nuts, cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almond. I-blend lang natin ito guys at meron na tayong napakasarap na so refreshing, very healthy tamar dates shake. Meron pa tayong so healthy vegetable salad. Yung green na yan, roca leaves. Meron pa itong turkey ham, cucumber, onion, whole kernel corn, salt and pepper to taste. Napaka-yummy and very healthy ng ating vegetable salad. Para sa ating hot drinks, meron tayong onion tea combined with green tea. Healthy din ang ating hot drinks. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share. You can also subscribe to. Kain tayo guys para sa ating main dish, yung ating fresh lapu-lapu marinated at in-air fry natin ito. Cold drinks, yung ating dates tamar shake with assorted nuts. Hot drinks, onion tea combined with green tea, and vegetable salad. Meron pa tayong napakasarap, very healthy, superfood fruits, yung ating dates or tamar. Meron tayong soft drinks, lemon juice, buko juice, and cola. Marami tayong food guys para sa ating breakfast. Full or loaded ang ating breakfast. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.